Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing a delicious recipe made with pineapple. Pineapple Kesari, also known as Pineapple Sheera. This is a popular South Indian sweet, especially served at weddings. You can make it plain or get creative with flavors like pineapple, apple, mango, poha and more. I have already uploaded the mango, apple and plain Kesari recipes, so do check those out too. Now let's get into the recipe. Heat a tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Add 10 cashews and 10 raisins and roast until they turn golden brown. Remove and set aside. Next add 1 cup of rava, also known as Sooji, and roast on medium heat until it turns slightly brown and aromatic. Set this aside as well. Add a teaspoon of ghee to the same pan and roast 1 cup of chopped pineapple until it is about 1/4 cooked. Now add 3 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a little yellow or orange food color if you prefer. Bring this to a boil until the sugar dissolves completely. Reduce the flame to low and slowly add the roasted rava while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. No vigorous mixing, always mix gently. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until the mixture starts to thicken. Continue cooking until the rava absorbs all the water. Make sure to add ghee at regular intervals. You will need around 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee in total. Finally, add the roasted cashews and raisins and give it a good mix. Our pineapple kesari is ready. Add a teaspoon of ghee on top, spread it gently and switch off the stove. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Now let's check the texture. Scoop a ladle full of kesari onto a plate. Wow, look at that! Soft, glossy and absolutely delicious. I'm drooling already. It turned out so yummy. Kesari is a staple sweet in Tamil Nadu and is made for almost every special occasions. Try this recipe at home and share your results in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes and travel videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next one.